रखा था और कल ही उसको अरेस्ट किया। हमारा कहना है कि वो 24 घंटे से ज़्यादा उनकी कस्टडी में था, तो हमने वो अर्जी फाइल कर दी है कोर्ट ने उसके ऊपर एनसीबी का कॉल किया रिप्लाई।
सर पोजेशन के लिए दिया है, किस चीज को चार्ज कर रहे हैं दीपेश को? कंजम्पशन?
दीपेश के लिए खाली कंजम ये कर रहा है कि वो सुशांत सिंह का एम्प्लॉय था और वो वहाँ पे कमांड्स उनके फॉलो करते कि जाता था कुछ लाने ले जाने, किससे मिलता था उसको कन्फ्रंट आज रिया चौधरी से करने वाले ये बोल के उन्होंने कस्टडी मांगी।
सर क्या सेक्शंस लगाए हैं एनडीपीएस के दीपेश के अगेंस्ट?
दीपेश ने ऐसा कुछ कोर्ट में कहा?
अभी तक ऐसा कुछ भी रिवील नहीं, वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन का
कौन से स्पेसिफिक सेक्शंस लगे हैं दीपेश के अगेंस्ट?
जो सब नॉर्मल सीआर पे लगे वो सारी सेक्शन है, ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक उसको नहीं, पर 29 एनसीबी का उन्होंने नार्कोटिक्स एक्ट का लगाया है एज अ कॉन्स्पिरेटर, उसको भी
आपका मेन डिफेंस क्या है इस मामले में?
मेरा मेन डिफेंस ये है कि मैं तो एक एम्प्लॉय हूँ, मेरा किसी से कोई लेना देना है, आई एम अंडर कमांड, तो मेरे को उससे कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है कि क्या हो रहा है। ये खाली एक चीज से मेरे को कन्फर्म करे कि मैं भी जाता था, अब मैं कभी गया नहीं गया उसका कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन में रिपोर्ट नहीं है आज के रिमांड में। फिलहाल उन्होंने ऐसा बोला हमको फर्दर प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज है इन्वेस्टिगेशन को, हमको फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना। नहीं, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है 29 पे मैं इंप्लीमेंट हुआ कि मेरे पास से तो कोई कॉन्ट्रोवेंट मिला नहीं है।
ठीक है।
कब तक हुआ है रिमांड? 9 तारीख तक हुआ है रिमांड।
सर आपका फुल नेम?
राजेंद्र राठौड़।
थैंक यू सर। सर आपका नंबर दे दीजिए।
All right, that is the lawyer of Dipesh Sawant, who was Sushant's staffer. In fact, who remember had been arrested last night by the Narcotics Control Bureau. And let me in fact go across to Sandhya, who's with us. So Sandhya, we understand that Dipesh Sawant has been sent to police custody for till 9th of September. What else, if you can take us through what his lawyer said? All right, we'll just... Sandhya, if my voice is reaching you, can you take us through what Dipesh's lawyer said?
Yes, absolutely, Avni. See, Dipesh's lawyer, Rajendra Rathod, said that how his defense, as far as his client is concerned, is that he was only an employee of Sushant Singh Rajput who used to follow his instructions. Whenever Sushant used to ask him to bring something, he used to bring something, nothing more than that. All those allegations of Dipesh Sawant being involved in procurement of drugs, of course, his lawyer has said that it's false. And he has said only one thing, that not even when raids were conducted at his place, when he was arrested, nothing was seized from him, no contraband was seized from him, no currency also which can be proved sale of drug proceed, that was also not seized from him. His focus is that how Dipesh Sawant was no one else but just an employee of Sushant Singh Rajput who used to follow his instructions. That's it. Avni.
All right, Sandhya, well, those are the details coming in as far as Dipesh Sawant is concerned. But let me go back to Neha. Neha, yes, please go ahead. Take us through what the latest is. All right, we'll just try and reconnect to Neha in just a bit, but we'll get you some visuals at this point in time, the activity happening outside the NCB office right now. Those are the visuals coming in. It looks like more people being brought in to the NCB office. All right, if we've got Neha with us, we can just get some more information as to what's happening at this point in time. But those are the visuals there coming in right now. We'll just try and go across to Neha. All right, we understand that Dipesh Sawant is being brought to the NCB office right now. Remember, Dipesh Sawant is been given police custody until the 9th, but he has been brought to the NCB office, the Narcotics Control Bureau office at the moment.
So we have this we are doing it.
All right, Neha is with us. Neha, yes, over to you. If you can give us a sense of what's happening at this point.
Absolutely, Avni. We saw how we were hearing what Dipesh Sawant's lawyer has had to say about the entire case and how they were arguing for his custody. But we understand that now he has been sent to the NCB custody till September 9th. He was brought in here to the NCB office. If we can show you the strict police patrolling that is present outside. Minutes ago, before Dipesh Sawant came, Sameer Wankhede, NCB's official, also reached the office. In fact, Wankhede's car was just in front of Dipesh Sawant's car, and Dipesh Sawant was brought in. Remember, there were at least a couple of NCB officials around him, and they swiftly took him inside from the car inside. And after that, we also heard what Sameer Wankhede had to say, saying that he has been brought into NCB custody till September 9th. If I can quickly show you what is happening around here, the strong police barricading is still on. Remember, we are expecting Rhea Chakraborty to be questioned today for at least a couple of hours inside, and these are the Mumbai police officials ensuring that the media remains at bay. This is the kind of barricading that is being taken place here to ensure that they get the gateway inside, they get a passage inside to move in. But yes, Dipesh Sawant, after his hearing there in the Kila court, was brought in to the Narcotic Bureau office here inside at CST, which is about 5 minutes distance from the court. And this is what has happened here a couple of minutes ago. Also, let me tell you that Rhea Chakraborty continues to be questioned inside. It's almost been an hour. She's there at the NCB's office, and along with them, Dipesh Sawant has also reached the Narcotics Bureau office now.